In this video clip, we want to solve the system of equations using Cramer's rule if it is applicable. If the Cramer's rule is not applicable, we want to say so. Here, this is the linear equation system. We have a 9x plus 4y minus z is 22. X minus 8y minus 4z is negative 41. And then negative 7x plus y plus z is negative 11. First, we want to find out the coefficient matrix. That's 9 for negative z is actually negative 1 times z. So that's how you put here. Okay, and similarly, we can do is let's do put to see if I can put a value here. Value here. I change the color to red. I want to mark here is 1, negative 1. Actually, here is positive 1. Here is 1. Here is 1. So that's how we got here is 9 for negative 1 here. 1 negative 8 negative 4 here. And negative 7 1 1 here. This is the coefficient matrix. We want to find out first determinant. This one will be used as a denominator, 127, 127, 127, everywhere. Okay. Now, the other, how to calculate this one, we know we can use our calculator. And then another determinant we want to calculate is to replace the first column, 9, 1, negative 7, with the constant column, 22, negative 41, negative 11. The other two columns we keep the same. And then for y, we replace the second column here with the constant 22, negative 41, and negative 11. Leave column 1 and column 3 alone. For dz, we just replace the last column with 22 here, negative 41, replace negative 4 here, and then negative 11 we put right here. We leave first the two columns alone. Then we want to find out the determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4 for this 4 matrix. The first one is 9 for negative 1. I have input those matrix inside my calculator already. You can do with second matrix, that's x to the negative 1. And then you move your cursor to the edit. Okay, you may click on 1. Okay, then is a 3 by 3 matrix. I already input that. If here is 1, here is 1, you want to hit 3, then enter. Okay, and then move the cursor here, you hit another 3, enter. You will get a 3 by 3 matrix. And then input 9 for negative 1 inside here. Okay, Each number element you input, for example 9 here, you wanted to hit the enter, it then goes to the second. After the second number is input, hit the enter. So that's the way you have a matrix A. Okay, so you get out and then do the second matrix and you move the cursor to edit here, and then you can hit 2. You can do work on the matrix B. I already have input the matrix here. Okay, so just to save the lecture time. And also you can get out and you can do second matrix to check if you have a matrix input correct. So you may hit 3 and hit enter. So you see that's my third matrix, which is input correctly. Okay, and you can do second matrix and hit number 4 and hit the enter, and you can check what you did if it is correct. Okay, so I have input all the values here correctly. Now you want to do is find out the answer, determinant. So let's do this one. The rest of them are the same. So you can do you may want to clear the screen, and then you may do is second matrix. You want to do math with matrix, so move the cursor to math, hit 1 or hit number, hit enter, and then this is the determinant. Put your matrix here. So you want to do second matrix, and then there's 4, that's D here. My D is the DZ here, so you may hit number 4. Okay, and then close bracket, hit the enter, it gives you 1143. Okay, you can do the rest of them in the same way. Then you have a dx divided by d, 381 divided by 127 is 3. That's for x. 127 divided by 127, that's 1. And z is 1143 divided by 127, you have a 9. So x, y, z will be the solution 3, 1, 3. You put right here, you should have a 22. Put in the second column, you should have a negative 41. Third column, you should have a negative 11. When you input 3, 1, 9 into the third equation. Okay, all right. Please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.